All right, welcome to our general strength block. This block is going to be all about isometric holds. So that's exactly what that means. An isometric means a pause or a hold, all right? So that's going to be our focus throughout these next few weeks, all right? So our first one's going to be a dumbbell goblet squat. Hold for 3 seconds at the bottom and back up for 6 reps. Then we're going to go banded Pallof press. Right there, we are going to halfway quarter squat, and then we are going to press our arms out, lock those elbows out, and you're going to hold 20 seconds on each side. So for our dumbbell goblet squat, what you're going to do is you're going to hold the dumbbell up at your chest, set your feet outside of your hips. We are going to go down, hold 90 degrees, 3 seconds, and back up. I will count you through that. Then we are going to go into a Pallof press. From here, we are going to grab the band, make sure it is even with your elbow whenever you set it up as much as you can, all right? Then we're going to slightly quarter squat, press our arms out, and hold for 20 seconds. I will count you on that as well, all right? So let's get started. First set. 1, 2, 3, 1, 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 5, 1, 2, 3, 6. All right, on to our Pallof press. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. All right, set 2. 1, 2, 3, 1, 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 5, 1, 2, 3, 6. All right, Pallof press. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. All right, round 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 5, 1, 2, 3, 6. All right, Pallof press. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. All right. Your quads should be on fire. Now we are moving to B block. All right, so B block, what we're gonna do here is we're gonna do banded single leg hamstring curls. Those are going to be 8 on each side. And then we're gonna do our dumbbell, kettlebell, whatever you would like to use, hip shift, all right? You might wanna have some sort of pad to put under your knee. I'm gonna use this towel that I have here. A towel works, whatever. If you have a pad, same thing, all right? We're gonna go 6 on each side there, okay? So for our banded hamstring curl, what you're going to want to do is set a band up probably about a foot or so off the ground. You're going to grab the edge. You're going to scoot away. You're going to put the band around your ankle. You're going to lay flat on the ground. You are going to curl your ankle to your bottom and back out. Ankle to my bottom or heel, whichever way you want to look at it. Again, that'll be 8 on each side. And then we are going to go our hip shift. So what you're going to do is you're going to put the pad, towel, whatever you have, one knee on. The other foot is going to be at an angle, all right? From here, you want to make sure that it's slightly out. That way, whenever you do your hip shift, you go and sink into it. That way, your knee is directly over your ankle, all right? From here, you're going to have the weight at your hip, shoulders back, stay tall. I'm going to sink into it and push back, okay? So let's go ahead and get started. We're going to do 3 rounds, all right? Here we go. First round. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then I'm going to switch to my other leg. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, on to our hip shift. Again, scoot that leg out. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, on to round 2. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Other leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Back to our hip shift. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, last set. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Other foot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hip shift. Last one right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Good job. Now we're going to C block. All right, so C block, all right? All right, so C block. Here we're gonna have 3 exercises and we're gonna do 2 sets. All right, first one is going to be a seated tricep extension. So here you can use whatever weight that you have. You're gonna put it behind your head. What would be ideal is if you have a dumbbell, then you're gonna put the handle part of it through like you're catching a football, like a diamond, all right? So for example, here, handle goes through. I'm gonna put it behind my head. I'm gonna go as low as I can, and then I'm going to extend my elbows up for a good tricep extension here. All right, that will be 8 reps. Then we're gonna go banded face pulls. All right, so with the banded face pulls, I'm going to be facing this way, so you're gonna see my back. But what I'm gonna be doing is I'm gonna be grabbing the band, my elbows are gonna go up to the sky, and I'm going to pull the band straight to my face and squeezing my shoulder blades in the back together. All right, and that is going to be 10. Then we're going to be doing single arm dumbbell row at a 3-point stance, okay? So what that means is I'm gonna have 3 points of contact. One hand on the bench or chair or whatever you have, 1 foot on the ground and the other foot on the ground. So that's my 3 points of contact. Right there, we're gonna go 6 on each side, all right? So I'll show you that really quickly. So here, 3 points of contact. 1, 2, make sure your back is flat and shoulders are back. 1, 2, and 3, and you are going to row elbow up to the sky, right there. All right, make sure your knuckles are facing inward. All right, 2 sets, let's get started. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, face pulls. So again, I'm going to be facing the other way, but still elbows up, band to your face. You can also do it seated or standing, whichever one you have available. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right. Now we're going to do our 3-point row. Back flat, shoulders back. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, round 2. Last round, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. All right, face pulls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, rows. Last one. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, that was 2 sets. Good job. Let's go to our finisher. All right, so for our finisher, we are going to be bumping it up just a little bit, all right? So we're going to go 30 seconds on, 15 seconds off. All right, we got 3 exercises. We got leg raises, we've got dumbbell or any sort of weighted Russian twist, and then we have penguins, all right? So with our leg raises, we're going to be laying flat on the ground. You can put your hands under your bottom if you would like. From here, you're going to bring your legs all the way up perpendicular to the ground. Heels go down. Try not to touch the ground. Squeeze your core and come back up. All right. Then with our Russian twist, I'm going to use a plate. You can use whatever equipment that you have available to you. From here, we're going to be seated up on our tailbone. You're going to Russian twist. Tap one side. Tap the other side. Rotating that core and squeezing it as tight as you can. All right. Then we're going to go penguins. So penguins, we're going to be laying flat on our back. Make sure you can reach and tap your heels. Then you know you're at the right spot. From here, you're going to reach and try to tap your toes all the way on the other side. All right. Squeeze in those obliques on the side. All right. So let's get started. We got 2 rounds. Here we go. Starting out with our leg raises. 5, 4. Let's go. 5. And relax. All right. Moving on to our Russian twist. 5. Here we go. 3. All right, penguins. 5. Let's go. Remember, reaching around to those toes. Squeeze those obliques. 5. Last round. 5, 4, 3. Here we go. 5. All right, Russian twist. 5. Here we go. 5. Good job. All right, penguins, last one, then we're done. Here we go. 3. Let's go. Let's go. Almost done. 3. Good job. All right, those core and those legs should be on fire. Good job. That is day 1 of our general strength. Let's see you for day 2.